Joe, bro, graba snack. We're about to unpack 40 money secrets that'll make your bank account cry tears of joy. I've devoured 100 plus finance books, so you don't have to. No fluff, no BS, just raw, unsexy truths. Let's go. Lesson 1. Focus or fail. Everyone says diversify. Nah, get rich by obsessing over one thing. Bezos sold books. Zuckerberg targeted college kids. You think they started with 17 products? Nope. Master one lane. Hit your first million. Then diversify. Lesson 2. Financial freedom is not equal to rich. You don't need a Lumbo to quit your 9 to 5. Rent out your apartment. Move somewhere cheaper. Boom. Passive income covers bills. Now you're free to build wealth. Lesson 3. Assets, liabilities. Rich Dad 101. Assets feed you. Liabilities eat you. That luxury car? Liability. A YouTube video earning $40 per month? Asset. Buy crap that pays you back. Lesson 4. Don't cut lattes. Earn more. Financial planners love to shame your coffee habit. Kiyosaki says, expand your income, not your budget. Want a $5 latte? Earn $10 more. Keep the latte. Lesson 5. Think big or stay broke. If you can't picture $5 million in your account, you'll never get there. My classmates wanted safe bank jobs. 12 years later, still clocking in. Dream bigger. Lesson 6. Your time equals $6,000 per hour. Spending 2 hours to save $60? You're valuing your time at $30 per hour. Rich people outsource cheap tasks to focus on $6,000 per hour moves. Lesson 7. Money equals life energy. That $80 jacket, it cost you 16 hours of work. See money as hours of your life. Suddenly, impulse buys feel like self-sabotage. Lesson 8. Generational wealth isn't cash. Cash dies. Gold, real estate, art. Diversify like the 800-year rich Italian family. 1/3 land, 1/3 gold, 1/3 timeless assets. Lesson 9. Help 1M people equals make $1 million. Jeff Bezos isn't better than your barber. He helped millions shop online. Scale your impact. More people equals more money. Lesson 10. You're one skill away. Best-selling authors aren't the best writers. They're the best sellers. Add sales skills to your talent. Boom. Wealth unlocked. Lesson 11. Get rich young. Retirement isn't the finish line. Build a biz that runs without you. The millionaire fast lane isn't fast, but it beats 40 years of cubicle hell. Lesson 12. Luck equals action. Check 100 houses, not 10. Send 500 pitches, not 50. Luck isn't magic, it's volume. Grind till luck has no choice but to show up. Lesson 13. Mental tricks matter. Your brain treats bonus money like Monopoly cash. Automate savings first. Guilt-free spending only after bills and investments. Lesson 14. Spend like a baller, smartly. Love gadgets? Hate gyms? Spend lavishly on what you love, slash the rest. Automate 50% to savings. Live guilt-free. Lesson 15. Fake it till you make $10,000 per month. Act like the person earning 10x you. Watch your mindset shift. New friends, new ideas, new income streams. Lesson 16. 80% of investments fail. Warren Buffett's 400 stocks? 10 made him rich. Embrace failure. Invest long-term. One winner covers 10 losers. Lesson 17. Think and do. Think and grow rich won't work if you just think. Want the lottery? Buy a damn ticket. Action greater than affirmations. Lesson 18. Greed kills. A CEO risked $100 million for more. Got jailed. No one to stop. Comparing to others? You'll never have enough. Lesson 19. Start investing at 15. $3,000 per year at 15 is greater than $3,000 per year at 30. Compound interest is a cheat code. Start yesterday. Lesson 20. Leverage or die. Trade time for money? You'll cap out. Use code, capital, or teams to scale. YouTube videos. Code. Assets that print money while you sleep. Lesson 21. Specificity wins. Order a sandwich. You get crumbs. Order exactly what you want. Gourmet meal. Define your rich life. Freedom? Vacations? No price tags? Write it down. Lesson 22. Build assets with your job. Keep the 9 to 5. Build rentals, apps, or content on the side. Assets pay for luxuries, not your paycheck. Lesson 23. Wealth is a skill. Lose cash. You'll rebuild. Lose the skill. You're broke. Become a money-making machine, not a cash hoarder. Lesson 24. Spend plus invest. Buy the $400 watch. Invest $400 too. Guilt gone. Wealth growing. Win-win. Lesson 25. Income greater than budget cuts. Netflix? Cool. But earning 10x is greater than saving 10%. Focus on big wins. Lesson 26. Wealth is invisible. Fancy cars? Probably dead. Real wealth? Quiet. No loans. No stress. Lesson 27. Automate or fail. Paishikits. 50% bills. 15% invest. 15% save. 20% fun. Live rich while building wealth. Lesson 28. Pay yourself first. Save 10% before bills. Treat savings like soldiers. Each dollar recruits more. Lesson 29. Save versus invest math. Save $12,000 per year or invest $10,000 for 10% returns. Do both. Let math decide. Lesson 30. Be an entrepreneur. Jobs equals one client. Entrepreneurship equals infinite clients. Taxes favor biz owners. Lesson 31. 3 to 6 month emergency fund. $4,000 per month spend. Save $12,000 to $24,000. No emergencies equals no excuses. Lesson 32. Fees are silent killers. 1% fee difference equals $418,000 lost over 30 years. Fight fees like your life depends on it. Lesson 33. Dress for $. Package grapes in fancy bags. Price jumps 15x. Look expensive. Get paid expensive. Lesson 34. Your latte is killing you. $5 per day. Coffee equals $1.2 million at retirement. Find your latte. Cut it. Invest it. Lesson 35. Save what you can. Single? Save 50%. Family? Save 2%. Progress perfection. Lesson 36. Debt snowball. List debts smallest to largest. Attack the tiny ones first. Momentum equals motivation. Lesson 37. Fail often. Quit after 3 failures. That's gym day 1 energy. Fail 100x. Win once. Lesson 38. Retire early equals work equals play. Love your grind? You're already retired. Lesson 39. Be the best. Top deep sea diver. Treasure hunters call you. Mastery equals luck magnet. Lesson 40. Start now. Regret is heavier than failure. Stop scrolling. Go build. If you're still here, you're different. Most click away. But you're ready to win. Subscribe. I drop truth bombs weekly. And if you want to help me keep these free and get secret perks, join my Patreon. You're not just supporting me. You're funding a revolution against bro culture. Stay hungry. Stay relentless. Let's get rich. Peace.